guys, it's Kisha here. So what we're gonna learn today is square roots. In my previous video, I gave you an idea about square root, cube root, and the fourth root and all. So today I'm gonna teach you finding square root for the bigger numbers. Okay, let's get started with the first question. Find the square root of 144. So the square root symbol is like this. So if there's no number in this area, that means we have to find the square root. I have a trick to find the square root for bigger numbers. It is called the laddermethod. So we have to put this sign like this, and then we're going to put 144 inside this, like this. And then we have to find out what is the smallest divisor for 144. 2. Yeah. And then we divide. So what we're going to do first is we're going to divide. So 2 divided by 1, we can't do that. So we're going to take 14. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then what is the smallest divisor for 72? 2. Yep, that works. So we're going to divide now. 72 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 7 is 3 times. So we have a reminder 1. So we're going to put the 1 over here. 2 goes into 12 is 6 times. So it's going to be 36. And then what is the smallest divisor for 36? 2 by 2 is 1. And we have like reminder 1. So we're going to put 1 beside this. 6. How many times? It's 8. So it's going to be 18. And what is the smallest divisor for 18? 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. What is the smallest divisor for 9? 3. Because 9 is an odd number, so we can't divide it by 2. So we can divide by 3. So we're going to put 3 here. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then we can divide 3 by 3 times table. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. We can't do anything else, so we're going to leave it like this. So it's going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay, so we're going to we have to find out the square root. So we have to group the same numbers. We have to group the 2 same numbers together because we're finding the square root. So we have to group the same 2 numbers because we have to find the square root. And square means 2. So we have to group it 2 numbers in one box. And then that's 2 same numbers. And that's 2 same numbers. And this is 2 same numbers. Yeah. So I'm going to take 1, 2 from this, 1, 2 from this, and 1, 3 from this. So we have to group the same numbers. So we have 2, 2, and 3. So if we multiply this 2 times 2, it is 4. And 4 times 3 is 12. So our answer is 12. So what that means is 12 times 12 is 144. That's what it means. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, now let's see the next question. So we have to find out the square root for 1024. So we're going to put this sign like this, 1024. And there's no number over here, so we have to find out the square root. So for this big number, we're going to use the laddermethod. The smallest divisor for 2 is 2, and then 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, we're done finally. Okay, so now let's group them. So we're going to write them down first. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Times 2. Okay. So we're going to group them by 2's now. So we're going to group. So we're going to take. So I'm going to take 1, 2 from this group, 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 and 1, 2 from this group. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So if we multiply them all together, we will get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that will be equals to, so 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So our answer is 32. So what this means is if we multiply 32 times 32 together, we will get 1024. So this is how you find out the square roots for the bigger numbers. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye. For now, teacher signing off.